Hey everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to make a bubble sort algorithm in Java. The bubble sort algorithm takes an array of numbers and rearranges them into ascending or descending order. In this array, the first pass of the algorithm will compare the first and second element. It will see that element 0 is smaller than element 1. Then we'll move on to see element 1 is larger than element 2 and swap them, and continue this pattern until it hits the end. For pass 2, the program will be stopped at element 2 and 3 and swap them. The program will continue to pass over the array until a pass is done with 0 swaps made. Alright, to start off, I've already created the array we will be sorting and the method for printing out the results. Now we will be moving on to making the method for the bubble sort algorithm. The method will be type void and the parameter will be an integer array, so the algorithm can sort the integer array we provided. The first for loop here will be representing each pass of the algorithm. The second for loop will be nested inside of the first for loop. This for loop represents the unsorted portion of the current pass. Then we will nest an if statement inside of the second for loop. This if statement compares if the current element is larger than the following element in the array. If this is true, those two elements will be swapped. Now that the algorithm is complete, I will call it in the main portion of our program and print out the results. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.